Okay. This is the water heater temperature pressure relief valve drain line. It should be between 3 and 6 inches to the ground. I'm sure that it's going to be fine once they install the sod. But until they install the sod, it's too hot. The safety pan drain line discharges fine. Okay, so that's not an issue. This is the water heater video coming on along. Inside the garage in the back corner over here, we got gas supply, have a sediment trap, we got a care and use manual. The gas piping is bonded at the water heater. It's 1-year-old, it's new construction, it's 50 gallons. The water piping for the temperature pressure relief valve is supposed to discharge inside, and it's supposed to have an air gap vacuum release in the same room as the water heater. Now this just goes to the other side of the wall. Alright, you're probably never going to have a problem with it, I get that. But I didn't write the rules. So this should be insulated, the temperature pressure relief valve. And you feel that, that's hot. That's where your money is going. And this piping should be insulated all the way down to this union right here. So we're missing some insulation. This is the emergency shutoff valve for the lawn sprinkler system. Parallel is on, perpendicular is off. For the water heater, excuse me, not the lawn sprinkler. For the water heater. That's the emergency shutoff valve for the water heater.